Hey fam, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be unboxing two subscription boxes. The first is the new Allure Beauty Box. This is the new and improved $23 box a month instead of the $15 price. So we're gonna see if this is worth it. And I also have October's Tribe Beauty Box to unbox with you guys. So if you would like to see what I got in these two subscription boxes, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. So let's go ahead and start with Allure, since this is the new, larger subscription box. This box has gone up to, I think it's around $23 instead of $15. We are supposed to be guaranteed 3 full-sized products in this box. So let's go ahead and open it. So you can see now there is a different box with Allure. It's coming in this larger size. And we still get our little magazine, which I really appreciate. I'm glad that they've kept this. This is my favorite part about the Allure subscription, which is so goofy for this to be my favorite part, but I really love that these magazines have all the prices. They also explain why the product was chosen for the box, how the person who recommends it uses the product, and I find this to be a really helpful resource if you do get the subscription. This is our beauty box. So the first product I see, I'm assuming is a full size. This is the Nue Company, Nue Co Topical C treatment. So what this actually is a powdered vitamin C product. So what you can do is, it says to take 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer, serum, or mix with water, apply to clean skin daily. So I think the theory is that vitamin C can go bad so quickly. So by having a powdered version of it, I believe it's supposed to keep longer. It's still in a darker bottle because vitamin C can deteriorate if it's exposed to too much light. And so they do have it in the dark bottle. You just remove the top and this little cap, you would shake it into your products, and you can pretty much have vitamin C as part of any of your other skincare products. So I'm interested to try this. I think it's an innovative product. Next, we have one from La Roche-Posay. We have received some products from this brand before. This is the Lipikar Balm AP Plus Intensive Repair Moisturizing Cream. So this is just a moisturizer. This does appear to be a deluxe size, and it comes in this little squeezy tube. So it's just a little travel moisturizer, you know, can't hurt. I always appreciate getting moisturizers and cleansers in beauty boxes because there's something I use every single day. Next, we have another moisturizer. This is the Ceramidin Cream from Dr. Jart. It says to apply to the entire face to retain healthy, hydrated skin. So this is just another little sample moisturizer. A little bit of a letdown to get 2 of the same type of product from 2 different brands in the box when there's only like 8 products now, and they're pretty small, but they're both really good brands, and so I'm excited to have them. Next, we have an eye cream. This is from Verso, Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. This actually might be full size because this is 0.6 fluid ounces and it's an eye cream. I feel like eye creams do come in smaller containers, so I'm assuming this is a full size and this is a full size, but so far I believe the other 2 were deluxe size. 2 of our other sample size products are 1 pack of Hydrating Collagen eye pads from Wilma Schumann, European Skincare. So this is kind of like, And then we also have a shampoo and conditioner packet from Rusk Pure Mix. This is the Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and the Replenishing Conditioner. This kind of annoyed me. I do like getting shampoo and conditioner samples, but I feel like we could have received this in a magazine. Like in one of the ads, you just like peel it off and you've got like a little sample thing, or this could have come in like a circular or mailer to your home for free. So having something like this in the box is pretty annoying, especially that mixed with 1 set of iPads. I mean, this is like cheesy to the max. And I feel like this is no better than the $15 box, to be perfectly honest with you. In fact, I've gotten, I think, better products sometimes in the $15 box. So I am not thrilled this month with Allure, but we do have 2 full-size products left to talk about. We have this one from Static Nails. This is the shade Irene. I do think this is a gorgeous color, and I don't know that I have a color like this in my current collection. I did throw out like the majority of my nail polishes a couple of years ago because I was always getting my nails done. But then I have since repurchased some new nail polishes. I don't have a ton of them, and I don't think I have a color like this. So, and this is a color I would wear. It's a nice cool tone mauve. I do think that's really pretty, and hopefully this is a brand that the polish like has a good lasting power, because I get super annoyed when my nails chip immediately. I've been a little lazy with my nails recently, but whatever. So this is a cute color. I am happy to see that. We also did get a product from Sigma, which was, to me, I think probably the most exciting product in the box. This is the shade Venom, and it is a liquid lipstick from Sigma. I have never tried any of Sigma's makeup products or their brushes. I've never tried really anything from Sigma. This definitely looks to be like a deluxe size mini liquid lipstick. So this is not full size. So I'm thinking the full size are the eye cream, the vitamin C powder, and this nail polish. And then this is also a deluxe size. So like it was just, I mean, I have to assume this is deluxe size unless they just have really small liquid lipsticks, which is also possible. But overall, I thought for $8 more, I really didn't see the value in this any more than I would have seen it in the regular box. Like especially the shampoo and conditioner packet being the 8th product. Like to me, this is just like a really cheesy thing to put in a box when this could easily come in like a magazine for free. Do you know what I mean? So overall, I'm hoping that Allure gets it together. I feel like when I first got Allure's $15 subscription box, I was really underwhelmed. I really liked the Carly Bible collab, but after that I was like, I don't know. And then over time, they really started to improve and it became one of my favorite subscription boxes because it was so affordable and because I thought the products were like special and high-end and beautiful, and it really gives somebody a chance to try a lot of different things. I really like that we got a lot of sample sizes for that price because they're great for travel. But at this $23 price, now we're getting into like Boxy and Ipsy, and they include like 5 to 6 full-size products. So I really think Allure's gonna have to kick it up a lot if they want to keep their customers, because this was pretty disappointing in my opinion. And I will leave all the full-size prices down in the description box as well. Let's go ahead and hop into Tribe. So this is what the inside of our box looks like. We do have a little card that has all the prices on it. And this is what I am talking about right off the bat. Tribe is bi-monthly. It is $40 with shipping. It's $35 or $34.99 then plus $5 shipping. So it ends up being about $40 every 2 months. Before that, you are getting 5 of these eye pads, not 1, 5. So this is the Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. So we have a nice little variety to test. We also got a super exciting product that I cannot wait to try. I was like over the moon excited when I found out we were gonna get this in the box. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base. My box is a little ripped because I already took a peek at this and I ripped the box. I don't want you to think that Gerard sent it to me like that, because they did not. Or that Tribe sent it to me like that. It was me that ripped it. And this is the little pot of eye base. It looks super creamy. I'm so excited to try this. I know that Glam with Suzanne, this is like her favorite eye base or one of her favorite eye bases. I've never gotten to try it. I'm so thrilled. This is only my second product ever from Gerard Cosmetics. And the other one I got from a Tribe Beauty Box, it is a liquid lipstick that's really beautiful. So I'm so excited to give this a try. Another exciting product in my box was this one from Suva Beauty. This is the Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick and it's in the shade Illusionist. I've never tried a liquid lipstick from Suva Beauty, but I do like their eyeshadows. And this is the shade here. It's kind of like a orchid kind of purple shade. So you can see it's not like a shade I would typically love, but it's not one I would never wear. And I feel like I have some glosses in this exact shade, so I think that'll be really pretty with those glosses. It's like a very pretty like raspberry shade. I think that could be really gorgeous. I'm excited to test out the formula. And then we have 2 products in bubble wrap. First, we have one from Earth Harbor, which I believe this is the second Earth Harbor product that I got in the Tribe Beauty Box. This is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. I have gotten another Ampoule product from, I think it was BoxyCharm. But I looked into it and it's used, I think, a lot in like Eastern medicine for like healing, which was really exciting. This is like a beautiful kind of like watermelon-y red. I'm interested to try it. I always love serums and all this good little skincare stuff. And last but certainly not least was this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I was really excited for this. This is from Le Splash and this is the Classic Horror Palette. Take a look at this beautiful packaging. I cannot get over how absolutely beautiful this is. I think it's so cool. How perfect for Halloween too. I think this is so beautiful. Inside we have a collection of 10 matte eyeshadows. It's kind of a bit of a rainbow palette, but I like that all of these tones have a little bit of like swampiness to them. They're kind of grungy neons, and this freaking blue moon shade is like electric blurple. So pretty. I'm so excited to play with this, and I think this will go really nice with like my indie singles because these are all mattes. It'll like allow me to reach for my colorful, fun shimmers to play with these. I am so excited for this palette. I was so hoping I would be able to get this. I had an alarm set. We are now able to customize, like sometimes like 1 or 2 products in our Try Beauty box. I had my alarm set for like 5 minutes before that choice window opened so that I could get this palette because I was so excited for it. I can't wait to play with it. So I think Try was pretty good this month. The eyeshadow palette, the serum, the ampoule, 5 eye patches, the eye base, as well as the liquid lipstick. I was really excited for everything in Try. Allure, I really wanted to love Allure. I was actually really excited. I'm like, okay, like they've been doing great with the $15 option. Let's see how they kick it up for like the $23 option. And I just really feel like it's the exact same box for $8 more than it used to be. And that's doesn't sit well with me. So I may cancel before the November box. I probably will give it till the end of the year just to give you guys more of a taste of this newer subscription. I feel like that's like the right thing to do for the channel. But I'm so over Allure at this point. I'm over their price jump and I'm over their product offerings and what they're now providing for the same price as like an Ipsy or BoxyCharm. Like, it's just not enough. They're not keeping up with the Joneses and they need to up their game up exponentially. And I'm talking way more than 3 full-size products, unless those full-size products are like super expensive and amazing. So right now I'm thinking that it's a miss this month, and we'll see what November holds and December holds, but I think she's on the chopping block in a big way. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope it was fun for you. I certainly had fun unboxing these boxes with you, and I can't wait to try these products out. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and until the next video,